Hi friends, welcome back to Keeping Up with Miss Electra. I'm going to show you today how I decorated for Valentine's Day my living room. It's so beautiful, romantic, and so pretty.
Okay, so this is the overview of how I decorated for Valentine's Day. So you see there's a lot of spring, trying to incorporate slowly the spring in, but this is what I did for Valentine's Day. There's a lot of pop of pink. I'm going to show you around and give you more details so you can see exactly how I decorated and more details into how I decorated. Okay, so right here I still have my couches draped with the white slip covers, and I'm using black and white, and you can see I'm using pink on my couch. So I incorporated those colors together. I think they came out really nice. Over here I just put all different candles, different sizes, different heights, different style candles, all rustic, chippy candles. And over here I just have a little plate that says love with the little, I guess, Scrabble. They're not really Scrabble tiles, they're from Hobby Lobby, but they're like Scrabble tiles. So I put it in there and spelled love. So I got the buffalo check black pillows, and then I have the love, and then I have the white fluffy pillow, which I like how I added in with the rustic farmhouse, but I incorporated in this room, as you can see, very like shabby chic cottage feel too. So those are kind of like all mixed up in one, but I incorporated all those together. And as you can see, that style works very well together. That's why I love farmhouse, because I can incorporate the shabby chic and the cottage in there. All right, I have some pretty little heart cookies for Valentine's Day. Let me turn around and show you my scale. And then I have some pretty pink roses in there with some greenery. Over here you see I have a buffalo check pillow again, but like with a little stripe, with another little pinstripe pillow. And on this side of the table I have this pretty heart. Okay, everything in here is from Michael's except this candle, which is really cute. It's from Bath and Body Works. All right, and this lantern is from Home Goods, maybe last year. And this candle is from Hearth and Hand. I didn't show you guys what I bought from Hearth and Hand, but one of the candles. All right, so that's kind of it for over here where the couches are. So it kind of looks like this, and I still didn't get nothing for up here. Look how plain the wall. I'm thinking maybe barn doors with wreaths. I don't know, I haven't decided, guys, but you know I'm going to show you when I do. So right here is the mantle. How pretty is the mantle? It's very shabby chic, cottagey, all mixed in together with a little farmhouse. So I just love it. I'll explain where I got everything on the mantle too for you guys. Okay, I just wanted to turn these candles on because I think they're really pretty. So right here, I got these from Hobby Lobby, and the candle inside I got from Dollar Tree, which I like it because look how it just flickers. So not bad for $1. And right here, the roses are from Hobby Lobby. This little bucket's from Hobby Lobby. The heart is from Michael's. This little burn is from Michael's too. These candles are from Target. The stand is from Michael's. Michael's is that white heart. Michael is this chicken wire heart. The wooden love letters, I guess, the script. I guess the little sign is from Michael's. Oh, these pink little flowers from Hobby Lobby. I thought they were pretty. These white flowers are from Michael's. They're very pretty. That's the spring line. This heart is from Hobby Lobby. The mailbox is from Hobby Lobby. You said this is from Target. And this is from Hobby Lobby. And we know this is from Hobby Lobby too, but I like how it flickers. It is so pretty. I love this mantle because it's very romantic. Spring. So, and I just love the pop of pink, which you know I'm loving pink this year. All right, so now down, I want to show you guys is this pretty bird cage. I picked this up from Michael's, and the flowers inside, I'm gonna give you a closer look, are from Michael's too. It was just like a garland, but I stuck it in there and, you know, pulled them through to make them look like they're growing out of there, I guess. And then this is just a basket, which there's some greenery. And this tin is from Michael's too. That was from in the winter time, not now. All right, so that's how the bottom looks. I think it came out very pretty. And I'm really loving the bird cages for the spring. Okay, so then we got the barn ladder right here. And this is how I decorated it. I don't know if I showed you guys because I decorated it different and then I changed. I don't know if I showed you. Well, anyway, up here I have what I love most about our home is coming home to you. Let's stay home. So I like that for the living room because that's where we hang out all the time. And then I have the kisses sign, some little houses with a little birch logs in there. My home that I made, and then another rustic kind of heart, a little bird cage, love sign with the little greenery. That love sign I got from Hobby Lobby too, and this heart one. That little bird cage I think I got from Michael's a long time ago. This white boxwood planter is from Home Goods last year. And then I just have some random like vase filler, I guess. But they're like all like rustic kind of stuff. That's how my mantle looks. I just love it. This is how I decorated underneath my TV stand. Right here is just like greenery, the love sign, that love dice. That love dice is from Hobby Lobby. And so is that stand that it's on. That heart is, that galvanized heart is from Hobby Lobby too. And the little buckets from Hobby Lobby. These pretty little flowers are from Michael's. Okay, the bless sign is from Michael's. And then that milk jug in the back, I think is from Home Goods last year from Michael's. So that's how my stand looks under my TV. Okay, so this is how I decorated my living room for Valentine's Day. As you can see, I'm incorporating a lot of spring. So I'm going to have a video for spring, how I'm going to decorate in here. Because I'm going to decorate it a little different. This is how I decorated my living room. And I think it came out really pretty. And if you guys liked how I decorated for Valentine's Day, give this video a thumbs up. Share my video. Tell a friend. Leave a comment down below. And let me know what was your favorite part, how I decorated, and what was your favorite piece. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on any of my videos. And I wish everyone a happy Valentine's Day. And I will see you in my next video. And I hope you always remember to keep your life in life. Bye!